So I just woke up and I didn't clean my face yet. So first, let's put the ice cube on our face. So today's video is about the benefits of green tea and also how to use it as a skincare regimen. So what is the benefits of green tea? So it treats acne and pimples, cures puffy eyes and dark circles, improves blood circulation, it also increases protection against sun exposure, and also helps in achieving brighter and smoother skin. So if you want to know how to do it and how to use green tea in your skincare regimen, just keep on watching. So first step is you have to reheat or reboil the tea bag for 3 to 4 minutes and stir it with a spoon. And after boiling it for 3 to 4 minutes, just allow the green tea to cool down. And then remove and keep the tea bag and store it in the fridge. So after cooling down, you can now pour the green tea in an ice cube tray. And you can store it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 weeks. So now I'm gonna show you how to use it. So what we need is the green tea ice cube and also the tea bag. So I just woke up and I didn't clean my face yet. So first, let's put the ice cube on our face. So by massaging your face with green tea ice cubes, it facilitates the circulation of blood to the different areas of the face, and it also replenishes the oxygen supply in the muscles around our skin. Then, it will also lead to a brighter complexion and healthier skin. And then the next thing is we do the scrubbing. So scrubbing the face with green tea can also help to get rid of dead skin cells and unclog pores. And it also deals with hormonal imbalance that leads to acne breakouts. And then after that, you can leave it to your face for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then after 10 to 15 minutes, you can now rinse it. And by the way guys, I also put an oil in my hair last night, and I'm gonna show you my hair care tips on my next vlog. That's why my hair looks too oily. Rinse it well and make sure to remove everything on your face and also on your neck, of course. And then last step is we will use the ice cube again to massage on our face. So we're done. So just pat it dry and leave it. And that's all for today's video guys, and I hope you like it. And see you again on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye!